Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's willphmoto here. We are gonna have an exciting day, I think. I am going to pick up a new bike. And I don't know if I'm gonna put the name in the description or not, but if it is, you already know what it is. If not, stay tuned. I'm grateful for having really good friends. My best friend there, Matt, lent me his car and trailer. And just so that we could go and pick this bike up. It's maybe 3 hours away in Moncton, New Brunswick. And oh yes, and we're gonna meet another YouTuber because I bought it off another YouTuber. So that's kind of neat, I think. A YouTuber selling their bike to another YouTuber. Anyways, I'm all hooked up and ready to go. I think I got the trunk all loaded up. It's just a couple little tools and straps and the ramp and a little trailer here and Volkswagen Golf. So yeah, let's go! Hey folks, so made it out to Mr. Rebel Forged's place.
What's going on, fellas?
To pick up the new beast. Is it a beast?
It's a beast.
It's a beast.
Yeah, it's a mini beast.
It's a mini beast. Yeah. A little R3 that he's got over here. Give you a once over. So there you have it, guys. That's the new willphmoto track bike. Any final words?
I'm gonna miss it. I better see lots of videos on the R3 on race days. That's what I'm hoping. Gonna miss it. Great little bike. I think it'll be great for the track though, especially down in Shuby. Yeah, you'll be racing side by side with Phil.
That's right. Yeah.
Or he'll be behind you.
Well, I don't know. He's got a little more experience. I need the Ducati to be in front of him.
That's right.
This one will be side by side.
Yeah, side by side racing.
Yeah. All right, Tim.
All right,
Thanks
man.
very much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Have fun with it.
I'll try.
Yeah.
We'll try to keep it rubber side down.
Always.
didn't drop it getting out of the trailer by myself. That's a big bonus. So I guess that's the end of the vlog. I'm gonna pack the bike up into the garage and then head home. Successful day. Thank you very much to Rebel Forged for helping me out and the amazing deal on the R3. So this is the new willphmoto track bike, and let's take one more look before we say goodbye. There she is, folks. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And I got 5 days to prep this for the track, but hopefully we'll get it done. All right, peace out, guys, and remember, keep the rubber side down. I guess we should probably try to fire it up. She works!